Hello student, here we will discuss about how we can calculate metal oxides equivalent weight or metal oxide here. Equivalent weight here we have to calculate first of all metal. So what is the equivalent weight of a metal when metal oxide has 40% oxygen? So 40% oxygen means 100 gram of metal oxide and 40 gram of oxygen is there. So weight of metal is only 60 gram. So we can do it in two ways. If you know the formula, then it will be much better. Very quickly you can do equivalent weight of metal is equal to weight of metal by weight of oxygen multiplied by 8. Here we know that weight of metal is 60, so we'll write down 60 gram. Weight of oxygen is 40, we'll write down 40. 60 by 40 into 8. 8 is the equivalent weight of oxygen. So answer will be 12 gram per equivalent. But sometimes if suppose you don't understand the formula or you forget the formula, at that moment what you have to write down 40 gram of oxygen combined with 60 gram of metal, so 8 gram. Why we are selecting 8 gram? So then the mass of the element which combined with 8 gram of the oxygen will tell us about the equivalent mass of that metal. Again I will repeat, mass of the metal, there for example here 12 gram. This 12 gram of metal when is combined with 8 gram of oxygen, so equivalent weight of this metal is 12 gram. Clear? If it will be 20, so we will say 20 gram. So how many grams will combine with 8 gram of oxygen? That decide the equivalent mass of a metal. Clear? And where this 8 is the equivalent mass of the oxygen gas. Now here we will see second question, equivalent weight of two elements when 10 gram of metal oxide contains 2 gram of metal. So equivalent weight of an element 10 gram metal oxide they have given and contains 2 gram metal. So at that moment what you have to do, you have to find out weight of oxygen, because I have given you formula that equivalent weight of metal is equal to weight of metal by weight of oxygen multiplied by 8. Weight of metal oxide is given, metal is given. So metal oxide is composed by metal and oxygen is there. So 10 gram metal oxide minus 2 is equal to 8. So 8 gram of oxygen. Now it is very easy. 8 gram of oxygen contain 2 gram of metal. So 8 gram of this will remain as such 8 gram, because already they have given from the calculation that it is 8 gram. So 8 gram oxygen if contains 2 gram of metal combined with 2 gram of metal, it means it is the equivalent mass. Okay, instead of contain we write down combine with 2 gram, right? So same here, so we can write down, okay, both of them are same. So equivalent weight of metal oxide is equal to equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxygen. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So equivalent weight of metal oxide we can also find out here. Although they have asked only